So in this video, I'm going to show you how to take one of these surfer suits and to seal the bottom. These are Target special needs or adaptive reversible surfer suits. They come with crotch snaps so that you can get diapers on and off. If you're like me and you do not use diapers, but instead like these because they're a nice compressive sensory suit, those buttons will cause a lot of problems, and I'm going to show you how to take care of that problem permanently. How to sew shut the crotch snaps on a surfer suit. These are the surfer suit, special needs surfer suit from Target. Where you can get it is in a link in the description. So the plan is I'm going to sew around this placket. I'm just going to do this, even though this suit is stretch, where the snaps are does not have much stretch. You can use a regular stitch. We're just going to go around. So this is the needle I'm using. Singer stretch needle 9014. Stretch needles are good for stretch fabric like spandex. We don't want to make any rips or runs in our surfer suit, so I'm going to use this needle. I'm going to use the standard presser foot. I believe it's a J for the brother machines. The needle's already installed. Default settings should be fine. The straight stitch, 3.5 millimeter length. We may have to adjust the width or the LR shift once we get the fabric in position, so that it goes around the buttons properly. We'll get to that in a moment. The thread, both the top and the bottom thread, are serger thread. It does not need a whole lot of strength. The buttons are still the primary thing that keeps it in place. The job we're doing here is just going to hold the buttons in place. Serger thread should be more comfortable than sewing thread, but if you have sewing thread, that should work too. Now we're positioning the surfer suit into the machine. We want to get it so that the presser foot goes right next to the snap. I'm going to move this. This is slightly out of position. Let me adjust it. I think this is good. Now we need to do the left-right adjustment. No adjustment needed. I think we're good at all the way on the left, which is a 0. Alright, so the key points here: make sure that you do not catch any other parts of the surfer suit. You just don't want the leg to curl up on itself. You do not want the lining to fold back into itself. I have done that. I have damaged one of my earlier surfer suits like that. I want to make sure you're only sewing through the placket. And we start slow. Okay, 3 stitches, reverse 3. There we go. Forward. I'm going to do the first few at the minimum speed. And then I'm going to raise it to a little faster. Alright, when you reach the end, just turn 90 degrees. Lower the presser foot again. And we're just going around the edge, so less than an inch. Alright, another 90-degree turn. Make sure everything's is lined up. Presser foot is down. We are, you see, I think we can see now, sort of. Right, we're just going down the other side. It's actually the way the fabric is folded. You may not be able to see on that side very well. You can see very well on this here. All right, let's continue. Check underneath. We're good. Still good. Alright. It's better to hit the button slightly. The presser foot will bounce off of it. And you want to make sure you get through both layers. That was a little too close, but luckily the needle did not hit it. Alright, I got to get the scissors. I'm going to cut through this thread here so that it doesn't get caught underneath. Let's continue. Alright, 90-degree turn. Back stitch 3 stitches, forward 3, and cut. This is neat, doing it through the glass table. Alright, let's take a look at our job. Let's inspect, make sure we got everywhere. This is where I got close to the button, but it'll be fine, it'll hold. Looking good. I think I hit it everywhere here. Let's put this inside out. All right, and this is the it's inside out. Let's make sure we hit that. Yeah. Hit everywhere. This is a little far in, but ooh, okay, it came within a millimeter of hitting the metal. Ooh, lucky, I almost broke a needle there. And then we have a little loose thread here. We're gonna snip. Those scissors. Okay, got the scissors, got the thread. Snip. I think I yeah. All right, got it. One fixed up surfer suit. No matter how you wear it, how tight it is, the bottom will not come open.